How to set proxy on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to enable or disable a proxy on a Telegram app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu simply tap on the option label settings. Now once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down and tap on data and storage, and after tapping on that on the new page, you simply have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on proxy settings. And here on the new page you can add proxy for Telegram. So to do that, you simply have to tap on add proxy and you'll be prompted to choose the proxy type, either SOCKS 5 or MTProto. So enter the IP address in the server field and the port number in the corresponding field. And if you have a username or password for the proxy, you can enter them in the provided fields, and once everything is filled out, you can simply tap on the check mark icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now that your proxy is set up, you can easily toggle the switch on or off to enable or disable the proxy in the Telegram app. And that's it. That's how you can set proxy on Telegram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.